Hi, Courtney.
Hello, good morning.
Today was very successful, wasn't it?
It was a very, very successful, awesome day.
Tell me a little bit about the prep going into this and then what happened today.
The prep was kind of immediate, so there was a lot of preparation, but also not as much. Late Monday afternoon, we found out that today was the day it was going to happen. I was sitting in the mayor's office.
When you say what was going to happen, tell me what we just did.
Today was the day that the first piling was going in, and we were officially going to start building. And I said, we're going to do an event, right? And he said, I don't know. And I said, if you'd like to, you can. I said, absolutely. And if I don't have, anything else going on. But, so I just went from there, and he said, do whatever you'd like. And I came here and met with Michael Carbone that owns Beachcomber, and he was amazing and said, whatever you need. And he opened up his place to us. And then from there, it was just a mad dash of calls of getting all the press in the know, doing some highlights of radio shows to get it out there, getting the bagpipe guys who are awesome. Tommy King, he's amazing. And
what is the name of their group?
Tommy King. It's Shamrock and the Thistle Pipes of Ocean County. They're awesome, and they didn't even think twice. They said, without a doubt, we will be there. And then it was just getting it out to the people and just letting them know what was going on. And for all the events that I coordinate and do, and the daily mucking and gutting of houses, it was a time that I got to prep it and then just be really excited to be an attendee and be a spectator.
It was amazing watching that piling going into the ground, into the sand.
No clue where I'd stand. I couldn't decide if I wanted to be upstairs, downstairs, where I wanted to be.
I know.
And I was, just to be able to be on the stand and feel the ground move underneath my feet. I thought I'd get misty-eyed, I thought I'd get sad, bittersweet and everything, and I had this smile on my face I could not get rid of, because it's a huge symbolic moment that we're not just talking about moving forward, we are. The pile is going into the ground, and we're staying.
Yep, we're rebuilding our boardwalks and our e-commerce at the Jersey Shore.
Absolutely.
So thank you so much, Courtney, for all that you do. You're a real Jersey girl, and we love you. So thank you so much for today, and we look forward to things to come.
More to come.
Absolutely.